how to use shield in Last Sea survival shooter. So this shield feature does exist in the game, but it's not for direct combat. Instead, it's a protective barrier for your base known as a P-shield. So it provides temporary protection to your shelter or headquarters, guarding it from raids when you're inactive or during certain events. So pretty much essential for preserving your resources and giving you peace of mind when you're offline. So to pretty much obtain and use the P shield, you can get this from Alliance shops. You can buy the P shields for later. You can go to the item shop directly in the black market. You can also activate shields from your warehouse, but to pretty much use it, just go ahead directly here into your walls and press on the defense option. So over here is for the troops that will increase your durability depending on what you use, but what you're looking for is the buffs. So there is the shelter defense with your P shield. So if you have any or any owned, and depending on ours, that will pretty much give you a HQ shield for that amount of time. But if you don't, there is the option to just buy it directly with diamonds. So depending on how much you want to spend, that will get you to that specific P shield. So you do have three options: the 8 hour, 24 hour, and 3 days. So again, depending on you, that's what you're going to get. But that's how you use the P shield or the shield in Last Sea survival shooter. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.